Easy and simple 1200. It's very hot.
Hot.
I would like to fix my HDMI port
Oh,
for my Xbox, please.
Okay, so what happened?
It fell, and I think the connection make the
Yeah, it's been
part inside
yeah.
bend and
Yeah.
popped out.
I see. Okay.
Yeah.
So don't worry, I'm gonna do it for you. When it's ready, I'll give you a call. Thank you, bro.
Appreciate it.
Joseph?
Coming. Rain.
Yeah, this one. Ready?
All right.
Who's next?
Well, what next? We have this Xbox right here.
Okay.
B2B, business to business.
Okay.
And
Incoming call. Incoming call.
hey, Mo,
Yep.
emergency repair. Customers paying extra for you to get this done ASAP.
Okay. This B2B should be done. Well,
Well, you know what? He's paid extra, so let me just get this out of the way for you. You know,
Okay.
we take care of our customers that way.
Okay.
Okay. Now you're busy, but that extra money helps go a long way. Home, Sophie. Mohammed,
Yep.
we got an iPad here.
Wow.
Charging issue. Hey, Mohammed.
Yep.
All right, we got an extra control right here that needs to be repaired.
The Xbox control?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Okay, but let me finish first the B2B.
All right.
And did this one, iPhone 15 Pro Max is ready anyway.
Okay, good.
Okay. Joseph? Okay, so this one is ready. This one B2B. Easy and simple 1200. It's very hot.
Hot.
Okay, bro. Your device is ready.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You take candy?
No.
Okay.
I'll take it.
Anyway, you have 1 month's warranty.
Okay.
Any problem in the HDMI, so bring it back. I'm gonna fix it for you for free. Okay?
Sounds good.
Okay, bro. So we're gonna send the digital receipt, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Okay, bro. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too, brother.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.